And the Justice for Sushant campaign has become the biggest talking point on the streets of Patna and the national capital ahead of the elections as well. Sushant Singh Rajput's friends and fans, in fact, carrying out a protest rally in Patna to demand justice for Sushant. At Jantar Mantar in New Delhi, Sushant's friends and fans are gathering for a candlelight march. Remember, October 14 marks the 4-month death anniversary since the mysterious death of actor Sushant Singh Rajput. We'll now go across to my colleagues Nalini and Prakash. To Nalini first. Nalini, we are witnessing how the friends and family and the fans of Sushant Singh Rajput have come out in large numbers here in the national capital to support the Justice for Sushant campaign. Please take us through what is happening there.
Well, absolutely, Richa, and we're reporting from Jantar Mantar right now, where Ankit Acharya is leading this candlelight march that has been organized seeking justice for Sushant Singh Rajput. They're just playing songs. There's no sloganeering going on because they want it to be a peaceful candlelight march. They've all gathered here in solidarity, not only to show solidarity with Ankit Acharya, who's sitting right there. I'm going to ask Hitesh to give you visuals of all the people that are sitting behind Ankit Acharya, along with all the people on the opposite side as well. So he's sitting there silently in this candlelight march, and there are multiple people that have gathered here to show solidarity, not only for him but also for the friends and family members of Sushant Singh Rajput, who for the past over 100 days have been leading this fight seeking justice for Sushant. And that is precisely why even the number of candles that you see on this side, and there are people that are lighting up candles as and when they come. People are continuously coming in, being a part of this candlelight march, and there are multiple candles in front of Sushant Singh's photo that have been put up over here right at Jantar Mantar. This march has been going on for almost about an hour and a half now, but despite that, the people are not leaving. And you can see that even next to Sushant Singh Rajput, there are also photos of Disha Salyan that have been put up, which is apparent from the fact that Republic TV has been saying from the very beginning that these two cases are interlinked, and the fact that Sushant and Disha also knew each other. She was his ex-manager. So they've come here all together, all of these people demanding justice for Sushant as well as Disha Salyan. And this is coming in the aftermath of another similar protest that both Ankit Acharya as well as Ganesh had organized right here in this very spot just about a week back, demanding justice for Sushant Singh Rajput. So now it's a silent candlelight vigil. There are many candles that all of these people have come. They've lit the candles in solidarity with Sushant, seeking justice for him. They've put them up here, and now they're sitting here in a silent protest, demanding justice for Sushant Singh Rajput, demanding accountability from the CBI, and at the end of the day, demanding certain answers on exactly what stage this entire investigation is at.
Right. All right, Nalini, stay with us. We'll also go across to Prakash now, who's joining us live from Patna. Prakash, we have seen the Justice for Sushant campaign becoming the biggest talking point on the streets of Patna ahead of the elections coming up in Bihar. And Sushant Singh Rajput's friends and fans are also carrying out a protest rally in Patna to demand justice for Sushant.
Well, the Justice for Sushant Rajput movement on the streets of Patna today was done at the right time to resonate it with the Bihar Vidhan Sabha elections. And yes, it has become the biggest talking point in different districts of Bihar, and also among the politicians and people from all walks of life are talking, because I could see for myself today on the streets of Patna when Ganesh was moving from one place to another, demanding justice for Sushant Singh Rajput, as he has been closely associated with SSR for quite some time. And he also went on to say that he was not feeling safe in Maharashtra, despite the fact that he's a Marathi, and people in Bihar have given him a warm reception, and since SSR was from Patna, he should get justice. Now, as a matter of fact, we all know how the truth has been buried so far, and it's been 4 months that the family of SSR has not yet got justice, despite several testimonies which has been revealed and investigated upon by Republic Media Network. And also the clincher was that we had also got the tapes of Sudhir Gupta, in which he had confessed on 22nd August in my conversation with him that the crime scene was contaminated and it was not forensically suitable for scientific analysis with sanctity, as well as the post-mortem was done in a hurried manner, and he also raised questions on the loopholes of the Mumbai police. But he planned to secretively leak the alleged forensic report to the which was submitted to the CBI to two media channels, which he was not supposed to do so because the CBI was the investigating agency, and CBI has not come out in public domain with its the alleged report, which was secretively leaked by Sudhir Gupta. The family members of Sushant Singh Rajput has also questioned the role of Sudhir Gupta, and a fresh forensic team should be instituted to probe into the forensics pertaining to the investigations of the SSR. So all this is happening here, and the demand for the justice for Sushant Singh Rajput is growing louder day by day, because it's been 120 days, remember, and the CBI has not yet come to any conclusion as yet. Back to you.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Prakash, for that. We'll also take a look at this report filed by my colleague Pradeep Bhandari, who has in fact spoken and has also about the entire movement that is gathering a lot of steam for Justice for Sushant campaign that is only getting bigger by the day. Take a look.
इस वक्त मैं मौजूद हूँ पुनपुन बाजार में फुलारी विधानसभा के अंदर, और यहाँ पे पूछना चाहेंगे कि आज क्या सुशांत के न्याय की बात यहाँ की जनता कर रही है कि नहीं कर रही है। आइए बात करते हैं, क्या कहना चाहते हैं। सुशांत बिहार का बेटा था, आज 4 महीने हो गए, उसके कातिल अभी भी पकड़े नहीं गए, क्या न्याय जल्दी नहीं मिलना चाहिए?
बिहार का बेटा था, मगर राजनीतिक रोटी के कारण कोई काम आगे नहीं बढ़ा। राजनीतिक रोटियाँ फेंकने के चलते इसको आगे कर दिया गया। जब राजनीति जब चुनाव होने लगा तो उसको सब भुला गया। इसीलिए कुछ कहा नहीं होता है, चुनाव खत्म होगा सब भूल जाएगा। फिर
मिलना चाहिए, जरूरी है चुनाव। आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं, सुशांत को न्याय मिलना चाहिए कि नहीं?
जरूर सर, इस न्याय तो मिलना चाहिए,
तो इस
होना चाहिए, विकास भी होना चाहिए।
विकास भी होना चाहिए। तो इस बार सुशांत के न्याय की आवाज बिहार की जनता पूरी उठा रही है
ना? सब नेता सब वही आदमी है सर, बदल के जा रहे हैं। नोटा हम देने के लिए,
नोटा ये जगह अगर आपको कहेंगे न्याय नहीं मिलेगा तो नोटा पे चले जाएंगे।
हाँ, नोटा पर।
बहुत बड़ी बात बोली है कि अगर न्याय की आवाज कमजोर होगी तो नोटा का बटन भी दबाया जा सकता है। दोस्तों, ये मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ, इस वक्त मैं पूरे की बिहार का चप्पा चप्पा घूमने वाले सफर शुरू कर दिया है। इस वक्त क्या सुशांत के न्याय की आवाज नहीं उठानी चाहिए?
एकदम उठानी चाहिए, बिल्कुल उठानी चाहिए। हम लोग भी चाहेंगे कि जो है इस सुशांत के साथ जो घटना घटा है वह बहुत दुखद घटना है। उसके लिए हर प्रकार से सब लोग को जो है एक माने सूत्रधार में बंद करके इसका जो है आवाज़ बुलंद करना चाहिए। एकदम सही है।
ये जो है ये बिल्कुल कह रहे हैं, ये बिल्कुल कह रहे हैं कि सुशांत के न्याय की जो आवाज़ है वो बुलंद रूप से उठानी चाहिए। दोस्तों, आपने भी कहा है, आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं? आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं?
सुशांत को न्याय मिलना चाहिए।
तो कई लोग जो कह रहे थे सुशांत को चरित्रहीन कहते थे, ये सब कहते थे, आज उनको बिहार की जनता जवाब देगी?
एकदम देगी, जरूर देगी,
बिल्कुल देगी, जरूर देगी। बिहार के कण कण में सुशांत की आवाज। आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं? सुशांत सिंह राजपूत को न्याय मिलना चाहिए?
कहा है न्याय तो मिलना ही चाहिए।
मैं कह रहा हूँ जो मौत हुई है सुशांत की, उसके पीछे की साजिश तो बेनकाब होनी चाहिए।
एकदम नाकाब होना चाहिए। जो सुशांत के साथ जो साजिश के तहत जो है उसका जो है माने निधन किया गया है, हत्या किया गया है, उस पर जो है एकदम जो है हर प्रकार से जो है सरकार को चाहिए कि जो है माने उस पर कार्रवाई करके उस जो खुफिया लोग अंदर से भेज करके ऐसा करवाए हैं उसको एकदम जेल तक भेजने की जरूरत है।
जेल तक भेजना चाहिए, ये पुकार है दोस्तों बिहार में फुलारी विधानसभा पुनपुन बाजार से। और मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ, आने वाले 25 दिन में बिहार का चप्पा चप्पा मैं घूमूंगा और चप्पे चप्पे की बिहार के जनता की समस्या को भी देश के सामने ले जाऊंगा। 7 तारीख तक मेरे साथ प्रदीप भंडारी के सुशांत के न्याय की लड़ाई बिहार की धरती से लड़िए।